Hey kitty, come take a look at this nail. Kitty? Why do you always have to pick fights with dogs? Do you, want to go to vet? Oh, please, you should have seen the other guy. Meanwhile...
Just for the record, I wasn't attacked by a cat. It was a wild mountain lion 3 times my size. Make sure to write it down.
Sure.
You can put your kitty down, dear. Barkley loves cats. He isn't going to hurt him. It's not my cat that I'm worried about, ma'am. I'm gonna make cat tree out of your bones.
On some nights. You sure you wanna stay up with me, kitty?
Human, for you, I'd be up all night if I have to.
3 minutes later. On some other nights. Hi, buddy. Wanna watch me play a game? Sure. 3 hours later.
Let's go! We're not stopping until we finish them. Now hold his head up.
I can see you, kitty. Stay away from that steak.
Whoa! Ooh! Whoa! Ooh! Whoa! Ooh! This is so fun!
Kitty, I'm just barking.
I know! Isn't it awesome?
Oh my wet food. Kitty, the correct phrase is, oh my god.
Human, you worship your things, I'll worship mine.
Attack!
Oh no. Human, please don't do it! I know I can be annoying sometimes, but that isn't a reason to end your life. Please don't drown! I'm not drowning, you idiot! I'm taking a shower!
Look, I'm sorry that I freaked you out, but I still don't get what about my sleeping pose made you think I fell and broke my neck. Honey? Yeah? Did you feed the cat? Yep. Then why is he looking at me like he's about to eat my dinner and me along with it? This is how we would like to drive around. But we don't, because cats should always remain in their carrier for right to be safe.
Get me out! 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 Get me out!
Are you getting food?
There are 2 types of humans at 5 a.m. Those who get up when you ask them. Human, I want to go out and I need your assistance.
Okay, kitty.
And those who need encouragement. You ignored me 2 times. You brought this on yourself.
They say to get anywhere in life, first you need to envision your goals. I know how I'm envisioning them. Everything okay? It's been several hours since Kitty went out. I'm starting to get worried. He'll be fine. Kit might be acting crazy at times, but he knows how to take care of himself. I'm sure he'll be back in no time. So, you think he's okay? Of course. Honestly, it's dogs in our street that should be worried while he's out.
Kit!
Kitty!
Kitty, what's going on? Do you surrender? I surrender! And our winner and undefeated champion is still Kit. Tell us, Jingles, how do you feel about that? I feel like I need a wet. Can one of you please check my behind? It feels floppier than usual. Come on, you didn't honestly think I was the only kitten in the litter?